President Biden dodging responsibility for the testing shortage, saying the problem must be solved at the state level. At least 8 states are now providing free COVID tests to some or all residents. Our next guest represents one of those states in Congress. Let's bring in Iowa Republican Congresswoman Mariannette Miller-Meeks. Congresswoman, thank you so much for being with us today. I want to go back to that soundbite we heard from President Biden there, but we've been talking about it for a while. But he says this has to be handled at the state level, but everything he's done for the past year suggested a federal response, the mandates, the vaccines, the masks. What do you make about that apparent U-turn?
Well, I think it just underscores another failure of the Biden administration. So remember last year, the Democrats politicized the pandemic in order to affect the results of the election. And so that when they came in, that they were going to, get us through the pandemic, they were going to cure the pandemic, and they were going to get us back onto a path of normalcy. They also weren't going to mandate vaccines. So they knew they were coming into office with vaccines that were going to be approved, and they had 3 vaccines early on. They bungled the rollout of the vaccines. Then they had the HHS take over distribution of monoclonal antibodies. So now we know there's a shortage of monoclonal antibodies. And then they had the opportunity to pre-order tests. And I think I was the first physician, doctor, congresswoman to mention on Monday on Fox News that the rapid antigen test, according to a study from Reuters out of Belgium, is not as effective in detecting it. So we need to tailor who we're recommending testing to. So we continue to get, differing responses and contradictions from the CDC and from Dr. Fauci and from this administration.
Yeah, and Congresswoman, Iowa is one of the few states that is staying ahead of this surge, staying on top of it. It's providing home testing kits to everyone. How was Iowa able to do that? Where were you sourcing kits from and tests from, and how did you get ahead of this?
Well, I'm going to give the credit to our governor. Governor Reynolds has done a phenomenal job handling the pandemic from day one. She was transparent. She would hold weekly or daily conferences all through the pandemic. We had people go back to our students go back to in-person school last fall. So they were only out from mid-March until the beginning of June. So she really has done an extremely good job. We had, testing throughout different communities in Iowa last year, drive-by testing, and then testing kits, which have been pre-ordered.
It's been very impressive.
Handled. So
it certainly has. I want to get to one more point
job.
because this is quite. And I just want to get to this one other issue, which is the President Biden has signed the National Defense Authorization Act into law, and I know that includes several provisions from yourself. We can pull up some of those. There's a 2.7% pay raise for the troops, improves service member mental health services, prevents dishonorable discharge for troops who refuse to get vaccinated, bans taxpayers' funds from going to the Taliban, and requires an investigation into China's involvement in the origins of COVID-19. Explain why those provisions are so significant, how you got them in.
Those were tremendously significant to get in because there were issues that we have had with the administration looking into the origins of COVID-19. We think it's very important to hold the Chinese Communist Party accountable for releasing this virus onto the world. The pay raise, I've 24 years in the military. I know how pay is, especially in the enlisted ranks. And we know how difficult it is with multiple deployments. So that was an important provision that we put in. Veterans' mental health and rising suicide. And then the other things, we got things removed. So the protection for veterans' Second Amendment rights, we got that secured within, and also preventing women from being drafted. So those were important provisions that we got in.
Yeah, Congresswoman, thank you so much for joining us. I'm afraid that's all we've got time for, but it's a pleasure speaking to you, and Happy New Year.